Crysis Remastered gets a big next-gen update on PS5 and Xbox Series X. For years, discussions about computer and gaming hardware have been met with one question from the witty gamers of the world: yeah, but can it run Crysis? If you happen to have an Xbox Series X or PlayStation 5 on hand, you can now answer in the affirmative the next time someone poses that question to you, as Crysis Remastered has received a next-gen update on both platforms. Crytek actually announced the updates in separate threads over on the Crysis subreddit. In the thread detailing the PlayStation 5 update, we learn that the game now comes with 3 different modes that users can switch between. First is Performance Mode, which offers 1080p visuals at 60 frames per second. Then we have an 1800p 60 quality mode, and finally, a 1440p 60 ray tracing mode. It's interesting that all 3 modes offer framerates up to 60 FPS, but we're guessing that you'll have a more consistent frame rate in performance mode than you will with ray tracing turned on or by running the game at 1800p. In any case, the increased frame rate is a nice thing to have, particularly in a first-person shooter. On the Xbox Series X update thread, we see that the situation is quite similar, only with even better resolution in quality mode. While the performance and ray tracing modes both still clock in at 1080p 60 and 1440p 60, respectively, the Xbox Series X's quality mode tops out at 2160p 60. On the Xbox Series S, we finally see a difference in frame rates among the different modes, as the console offers a 1080p 60 performance mode, 2160p 30 quality mode, and 1080p 30 ray tracing mode. In addition to the next-gen upgrades, the console versions are also getting the Ascension level for the first time, along with a classic nanosuit menu and a large number of bug fixes. For more on those fixes, hit up the Reddit threads linked above, but otherwise those of you with a PS5 or Xbox Series X under the TV should give this update a download and take the next-gen version of Crysis Remastered for a spin.